Today I'm going to show you how to post on your Google Business profile. The first thing you need to do to find your profile is type in the name of your business, and sometimes you have to put in the city and state and search it in Google. Then make sure that you are logged into your Google account that you use. So whatever account you use for Gmail and for your Google Business profile, that's the account you need to be logged into when you do your search. And then you should be able to see your name pop up as long as you're an admin on your Google Business profile. You should see it pop up here, and you should see your business pop up, and you'll have the ability to then make edits right here in the search engine results page. And then to do a post, it's actually called add an update now. So you go right over here to add update, and then it gives you three different formats for the type of post that you can do. Now, once you do one of these posts, it's going to show up over in this section about on your Google Business profile, and it'll show up on Maps and in Google search results. So to add a post, you just go in here and then you click on the type of post you want to add. You can do up to 1,500 here characters, so it can be pretty long. So just kind of expand this so you can see a little bit more. And then with your post, let's just say you're posting a blog back to your website. You could link back to it, or you could have like a call to action to order online. If you're talking about something, if you're trying to get people to book an appointment or buy something, learn more. If you're posting part of a blog or an update about your business, and then the rest of it is on your website, and then you could just put link more and then link back to your business website. You could do sign up too, and then again you've got a link to where people can sign up. I really recommend adding a photo too, so when you add a photo you can just upload one from your computer, but picking a photo is really important because it actually it's just more eye-catching when people are looking at those profiles, and when they're searching for your business or they're searching through multiple types of businesses that offer what you offer. It's good to have a photo that just helps you kind of stand out. And then I'll just discard that and go back over here to add an offer. You can see it's slightly different. So again, this technically qualifies as a post, but when you add an offer, you've got a different set of details here, right? So what your offer title is. So for example, something like 20% off in store or online, or 20% off services, whatever. And then you put the start and end date for it, and then you can put more details. And again, you've got 1,500 characters here to work with. If you're using like a Shopify store or something like that, and you've got a discount code that would make it redeemable online, you can post that in there, and then the link to redeem the offer too, if that's it. And then you should definitely put in your terms and services too. It says optional, but if you do have qualifying terms and services, definitely just put that in there to help safeguard your business. And then you again, highly recommend you add a photo as well to that. And then finally is the event post. So again, event title, start date of your post, and that, or of your event, and then putting a start time is a good idea, and then an end time as well. And then again, you've got event details, and then if you do need people to sign up for your event or book something, or call for any reason associated with it, that'll just give you a nice little button that goes with your post that your customers or potential customers can click on to take the action that you need them to take related to your event. And then again, good idea here to add a photo as well. So that is how you can add posts to your Google Business profile. And again, there's three different types here. So updates, offers, events. And you get to this again just by making sure you're logged in with your Google account, and then search your business name. If you don't see it when you search your business name, try searching your business name, city, and state while logged in to your account, and you should be able to see it pop up here as long as you're an admin on your own Google Business profile. If you have trouble finding it, try logging in. If you have multiple Google Business or Google accounts, try logging in with a different Gmail account and see if that helps, and then do the same thing and search for it to try and find your business. So I hope that helps. That's how you can post. Definitely use the post section of Google Business profile. It'll really help get your profile noticed and help drive more customers for you related to your updates, your events, and your business's offers.